Hi viewers, welcome to this video lecture number 3 on the title Smart Manufacturing Industry 4.0. Here we are going to see the case study of Tata Steel. The Tata Steel is going to be one of the predominant companies using the smart manufacturing for the production of its components. And Tata Steel is called as the lighthouse company. It is awarded as the lighthouse company. And lighthouse company is the term used for the predominant companies that are using the AI-driven approach for its manufacturing of components. So this is going to be the presentation which explores the transformative role of the mechanical engineers in the revolutionary concepts of using the AI-driven approach, IoT-driven approach, and smart manufacturing approach in the production of the components in the steel manufacturing industry. Come, let us join the video lecture. So Tata Steel is the leader in the Industry 4.0 adoption. So it is established in 1907 and Tata Steel is the global powerhouse and a core part of the esteemed Tata Group. So the capacity of Tata Steel is about 35 million tons of crude steel, and it also stands as one of the world's most geographically diversified steel producers. And even though they are the pioneers of the steel production, Tata Steel is nowadays known for its capability to adopt the newer technologies for the production of the steel. So Tata Steel is the early adopter of the Industry 4.0 standards and the digital twin technologies. So its commitment has led to the name of a lighthouse company, which is the designation given by the World Economic Forum, highlighting its role as a global benchmark in the advanced manufacturing. There exists always a question about why smart manufacturing is needed in the steel manufacturing company. The answer is steel making is going to be the very energy intensive and resource heavy industry which requires a huge component and a huge rate of production and large number of manufacturing workers. So this reality coupled with the global competition, stringent environmental regulations and escalating operating costs, it presents the significant challenges for the manufacturing of steel. So, in order to thrive, the steel manufacturing industry demands process efficiency, predictive maintenance, reduced emissions, and customization and agility. So, the mechanical engineers working at Tata Steel are crucial in this transformation. They have to bridge the gap between the equipments, conventional equipments, with the latest digital equipments, thereby translating the complex data into the actionable insights and operational imports, so that the smart manufacturing is always required for improving the efficiency of the process. So, what are the components or the latest technologies used by the Tata Steel in its smart manufacturing? So it has created an ecosystem which has the latest components or the latest concepts of manufacturing, that is with respect to the Industry 4.0. It has set the Industry 4.0 ecosystem for optimizing its operations, integrating the cutting edge technologies across its facilities. So these are the different components used with the Tata Steel in their manufacturing. They are using the digital twin technology. Tata Steel is using IoT-enabled sensors. AI-driven predictive maintenance is also taken care of, incorporated in the Tata Steel manufacturing company. They are using the robotics and cobots, and automation becomes the central part of the Tata Steel manufacturers. So they are using the cutting edge technologies like what we have said in the slide, and these technologies are collaborated, they are combined together in the energy intensive steel manufacturing process, thereby giving the perfect optimization of the resources for the manufacturing and also thereby improving its quality of the steel. So what happens with the integration of all these concepts? or the systems of Industry 4.0 in a Tata Steel plant. So we can see the significant changes in the plants of Tata Steel, that is with respect to the Jamshedpur and the Kalinganagar plants. The coke rate reduction, that is taken to a significant 3%. That is Jamshedpur's plants blast furnace digital twin achieved a 3% reduction in the coke consumption. Coke is going to be the very important raw material for the steel, and with the implementation of all these AI-driven concepts, all these Industry 4.0 components, the coke rate reduction is all about 3%, which can contribute to a very larger economical uh, manufacturing cost. And also in the Kalinganagar plant, the unplanned downtime, it represents the delay in the manufacturing activity, which is given in terms of minutes or in terms of hours. So the Kalinganagar plant smart rolling mill, it reports zero unplanned downtime in the financial year 2025. So these are the examples which can highlight the real world impact of the Industry 4.0 adoption on the operational efficiency, reliability and safety. Thank you for watching this video lecture. We'll see more insights and more case studies in the subsequent videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.